Hey everybody, my name is Jason. Thanks for tuning in to watch this video. I was going to be doing a little review today about a product called Surf Salt Spray by Grooming. Before I get into that real quick, a little bit about myself. I'm a men's grooming product enthusiast, wannabe barber. I've been cutting my own hair for 20 years now, actually. Like testing out new products, trying new things, trying different styles with my hair and my beard. Also in skincare quite a bit. But I was sent a product to try a little while back. The original formula, Surf Salt Spray, and they have actually improved it now. This is the new one. I want to talk about a few key things that I found about the product. It is almost unscented, right? So no added fragrances. I like that. I don't need extra stuff in my sprays for my hair. This product has been tested quite a bit. A lot of brands out there, I do a little private labeling where many different products are essentially very similar, almost the same. These guys do a lot of in-house, they do everything in-house. So the original formulation, which I've tried and I liked, was good. I had no problems with it, I actually liked it. The owner's wife said, it's good, but it could be better, and well, they got her approval, and that's what we got here today. There are only 9 ingredients in this product, so on the clean side of things. Some of the products I looked at from big brands that are popular, 14 ingredients was one that I saw, another one had 11. It really varies, but only 9 ingredients. I think that's a cool point right there. Salts will tend to dry out your hair and scalp, especially over time. So to counter that effect, these guys actually have put sea kelp and vitamin B5 to kind of counter that effect, so it's not as harsh on your scalp and hair follicles. I'll tell you about some of my favorite uses. The little guy right here goes in my gym bag, right? So after you go to the gym, get done on your lunch break, wherever, go back to work, squirt a little bit in, run it through the hair, out the door, you're good. In the mornings, squirt a little bit in. Now it's Minnesota winter, so it's kind of cold. If you leave your hair wet, it will actually freeze outside. Like today, it's -3. So I don't leave it wet walking out the door. But it's really good for a quick touch up. You spray it in. You can kind of just finger style this stuff. You don't really even need a comb. Or if, let's say, I have a little product residue in my hair from a clay or a pomade or a wax or another product, I can just spray this on and kind of use this to restyle it. And it's quick, it's fast, back in place, good for getting texture. But my favorite is as like a volumizer. So I'm gonna actually show you guys how to do that here in a second. So I have a variety of combs here that I like to use. For this, I'm gonna just be using actually my hands, my fingers to do the style, but I use a round brush to dry the hair and create extra volume. So I'm gonna simulate having, my hair right now is completely clean, okay? There's no product residue in it. I'm gonna get my hair wet, really good and wet, give it a little towel dry, and then I will apply the product and kind of show you how I style it with just sea salt spray. So I got my hair pretty good and wet, got my shirt too. Now, we're gonna apply the product, okay? And I apply it pretty liberally. Side note, I usually dry with medium heat and high air volume, right? So on high, medium heat, not trying to cook my hair, okay? One thing I forgot to mention, always shake the bottle really good before you use it. Just good practice with any type of a natural based product like this, okay? Shake it up good first, okay. So, you can see here the volume I have already, all right? No other products, sea salt spray, but wherever you find this video at, it's gonna be discount in the description. Okay, so check that out if you want to try it out. I would recommend this product. Just to kind of recap, this is not a high hold product. Don't let anybody fool you. Sea salt sprays are not a heavy hold. Okay, they are made to be a natural look without a lot of shine. You can run your fingers through and potentially restyle through the day a little bit if you need to. This product is nice because it has the ingredients to help counter the drying effect you sometimes would get if you're, not having good shampoo and conditioning habits, using salt sprays very regularly, etc.
All right, guys. So it's been 10 hours since I recorded and had put the sea salt spray, surf salt spray, in my hair, and you can see as far as hold. I was using it with blow dryer for volume, and I still have, it has not really dropped much. So pretty impressive. Product works pretty well. I like to use it as a volumizer. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.